Welcome to our tutorial video on ThreadFix filters. Filters are a powerful capability in ThreadFix that are used extensively in our reporting as well as for configuring policies. For more information on ThreadFix policies, please watch our policies tutorial video. In this video, we will look at how to create filters and some of the ways they can be used to create customized views for vulnerability analysis and reporting. Using filtered views, you can identify specific vulnerabilities that your team may be focused on, as well as create new workflows to assist in your remediation efforts. First, let's take a look at how filters can be used in generating ThreadFix reports. From the Vulnerability Search tab, we can see a report with all the vulnerabilities currently open in the ThreadFix system. But what if we only want to look at a targeted subset of these vulnerabilities? We can do that, for example, by creating a filter that will only show us vulnerabilities for applications that are in scope for PCI. We can select from a wide range of options in the filter sidebar. We can add requirements to limit our view to only vulnerabilities that are rated critical or high, and then limit again to those vulnerabilities that are more than 30 days old. Using this new set of filters, we're able to go from a very high-level view of all the vulnerabilities in the platform to a very specific view. We can use the Pivots option to then determine how the vulnerabilities are grouped and sorted. Finally, we can save this set of filters to reuse in the future. We can also create new custom filters using the Filters option under Customize in the ThreadFix menu. Using the 7 categories of filters, ThreadFix allows users to create near limitless combinations to fit their team's needs. Pivots we just discussed. These allow you to control how vulnerabilities will be grouped in your reporting view. Scope allows you to set up a list of teams, applications, or application unique IDs to be used in a filter. Attaching these filters to policies are not as useful. You can also filter based on tags to limit either the applications whose vulnerabilities will be displayed or to only show vulnerabilities that have themselves been tagged in a specific way or have comments associated with them. Additionally, you can filter to only show vulnerabilities from specific scanners or vulnerabilities that have been found in multiple ways across multiple scanners. You can filter for vulnerabilities based on whether or not they have a defect associated with them and the status category of that defect. You can also identify vulnerabilities whose defects have been fixed and require a rescan, or vulnerabilities where the defect has been closed but the scanner is still finding those vulnerabilities. Under Vulnerability Detail, you can filter based on a wide range of vulnerability attributes, such as vulnerability type, vulnerability severity, or vulnerability scanning technology such as static, dynamic, or dependency finding types. Finally, you can filter vulnerabilities based on their aging or for a given date range. Hopefully, this introduction to filters gives you new ideas on how to get more value from your ThreadFix deployment. Check out our other videos to learn how to use more of the advanced functionality of the platform. And as always, feel free to reach out to customer service with any questions.